What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're looking at this 98 Honda Prelude and this Honda EK hatchback. Now, I was looking at these two, and we're gonna go with these bronze rims for the blue one, and for the Civic, we're gonna do the neon green. But now that I'm looking at these neon green ones, well, we'll see what happens. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, here is that Honda Civic EK hatchback with the neon green rims, or neon yellow. I like how it pops, and I feel like the neon series does look really good with these rims. And here is a shot of the OEM rims that were on there. I didn't care for the two different colors, but I like how this one came out. I like the little details of the gritty on the hood. And here is that Honda Prelude. Now, we went ahead and did the bronze TE37s on this guy. Classic rim for imports. I think it came out really nice. I'm not 100% sure where this particular color casting came from what series, but I really like the little subtle details. And of course, there go the stock rims that were on there. One of my favorite castings. And that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.